What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change payment method for YouTube Premium. So first off, head over to YouTube and then on your right side, click on your email ID icon and from here, go to purchases and memberships. Now here you see this premium option. I am showing the photo because I don't have YouTube Premium. So if you have Premium on your account, it will show like this Premium individual member or whichever membership you have taken. Click on Manage Memberships. After clicking on Membership, just simply click on this Edit button. Here it is written Billed with MasterCard. In your case, it might be different. So in whatever cases, just simply click on this edit button and then you will be able to add a payment method for YouTube Premium. So that was all for this video guys. Thank you everyone for watching.